Airwolf is an aerodynamic lifting body with a twin turbine-driven rotor system, capable of propelling it to 300 knots.
In other words, it's a fast, twin-engine jet chopper.
One can express it in those terms, except this jet chopper can disengage its rotor system and ignite these two additional turbines. 9.6 seconds after ignition, Airwolf can exceed Mach 1 from sea level to 65,000 feet. In other words, Senator, Airwolf is a Mach 1 plus chopper that can kick butt.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. F&R here. So there you have it. Meet Airwolf, my new 2022 BMW R1250 GS. I thought it was appropriate to unveil this bike here in this awesome dirt road that we've got back here, one of many backcountry roads in New Jersey. And I've actually ridden this road before with my Harley, and I've always had to stop right up there where you see that gentleman walking with his dog. And this is one of the many reasons why I got this bike, so I can continue to explore and expand my riding and bring all of you some really amazing footage, some amazing adventures, and just a completely different lens and point of view now, both on this 2022 BMW 1250 GS in triple black, and of course on what you typically see here on my channel, my 2020 Street Glide CVO. So let me talk to you about why I made the decision to ultimately get this specific adventure motorcycle. I think as many of you that are subscribed to my channel know, I test rode this bike many months ago, and I absolutely fell in love with it. And since then, I've been doing an extraordinary amount of research. I've tested other adventure bikes. I've tested my buddies' bikes. I've done, again, all of the research that I've needed to do. And ultimately, I decided to go with this one. This is a dream bike for me. So the Harley that you see typically in my videos was my first dream Harley Davidson for me. And this BMW is my second. So I essentially now have my two dream bikes now as part of the channel, of course, in my garage. And of course, I'm super excited about this bike, about the things that we're going to be able to do in the channel, and just how much this is going to open up the channel for just extraordinary adventures. One of which is going to be going on the Northeast BDR by this summer, if not by this by the fall, with the crew. So you're going to want to stick around. So again, this particular video is the unveiling video. So that's the number one. The second thing that I wanted to talk about in this video is why I named it Airwolf. Now look, I think it's kind of humorous to name your motorcycles. Nothing against those that do. I've never named my motorcycles. However, this particular motorcycle, for some reason, reminds me of Airwolf. Now, I'm probably dating myself, but many of my subscribers are around the same age group that I am. And if you grew up here in the States, you grew up watching the show Airwolf. And I think this bike just reminds me of Airwolf in a lot of different ways. Number one, it's fast as heck. Number two, it's highly, highly capable. Number three, it's incredibly versatile. And then the last thing is, one of the things that's unique to this bike is the way that engine sits on the bike. And if you look at it from the front, you see how those two kind of stick out a little bit there? When you look at Airwolf from the front or from the top, it has those two wings that look almost identical to what this bike looks like. And that's why I thought about naming it Airwolf. Again, you know, at the end of the day, we can all find it humorous. It's just another way to really enjoy the things that we do. I actually haven't even named my other bike. I'm open to it, but this one just reminded me of Airwolf, and that's why I chose the name Airwolf. The last thing that I'll do here to sort of wrap us up here is I'm gonna start it up here now. I'm gonna take it up this dirt road. I've never been on this dirt road, and again, it's one of the many reasons why I got this bike. I get to explore this stuff now. So I am going to wrap up this unveiling video here with a short ride up this road, see where it takes us. I'm gonna let you enjoy the sounds of that engine, which just purrs beautifully in my opinion. And then of course, you can expect to see an alternation of future videos on the channel. I am still committed to giving you a minimum of one video a week. And again, I'm gonna see how I incorporate videos of these adventures in the channel in the future. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Let me know your thoughts, let me know your preferences. You know, my commitment is I will factor them into my considerations. Ultimately, of course, it'll be my decision how I bring you this bike and the footage. Hopefully all of you enjoy it. I know one thing, I'm gonna enjoy it. I absolutely love both of these bikes, now my Harley and this one. And I can't wait to share it with all of you, my subscribers. And if you're not subscribed and you're new to the channel and you've made it this far, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. All right, let's start it up and let's go for a ride up of this road and let's explore a little.